Welcome to MaidCV.com. What is your name and nationality?
My name is Florence Balabo. I'm 40 years old. I
You're from
uh, Philippine.
Philippines?
Philippine, yes.
Okay, are you single or married?
I'm married.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have 3 children
Where are they now?
in my family, Philippine.
In Philippines. Who's taking care of your children in Philippines?
Yeah. My family side, mother.
Your mother. Okay. So when would you be able to start working?
Since 2000 from now.
No, when can you join for a new job? When can you start for a new job?
The new job?
Yeah, for the new job. When can you start? When?
Now, huh? Now my new job?
Yes, for you. No, when? You can start immediately, right?
Yes.
You can
Yeah,
start
anytime.
immediately. Yeah, anytime. So do you have relatives here in UAE?
Yep, I have. I have 2 cousins here in the Dubai and here in Al Noor Hospital, and here also I live here.
Yes. Okay, so please describe your present job. Are you still working with your employer or not anymore?
From now on, stop to work there.
Okay, so describe your last job. What was your last job?
Uh, Maid, all around housemaid, ma'am.
All around housemaid. Okay, so what were your duties and responsibilities as an all around housemaid for that family?
The first one is clean the house
Okay, clean the house.
or have children. I first do my the children first. Then after that, when the child is sleeping or is it's okay her situation, I can clean if I have a time.
So you're responsible for doing all the household chores and looking after children. How many
Yeah.
children were under your care?
Two.
Two children. How old were the children?
The first one is 13. The second one is a 2-year old.
2-year old. Okay.
And have the dog also.
And you're looking after one dog.
Yeah.
Okay. So what did you like most about your last job and why? What did you enjoy doing? Cleaning?
Actually, all kids cleaning.
Cleaning and looking after children.
Yeah.
Enjoyed it. Okay. So describe in details how do you perform your task for each location in the house? How do you clean the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, and the toilet?
The first one is a kitchen. After
Okay.
that, living room. Then the room and toilet. After is the that's it only, ma'am. For the room time in my time to clean first kitchen, living room, then the room, but I also washing. It's not only stop. If can to make it's not only the one side to work. Can clean, can wash, can iron. If have time. If the baby is sleep or
Okay.
the baby is okay, the what's sleeping if comfortable, but especially the baby first. If wake up, sorry, I see first the baby. If the madam coming or the sir coming, somebody coming, maybe I touch my side for other my work like cleaning.
Okay, so you're a multitasker.
Yeah.
Okay. So what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around? What are you going to do?
I ask first if have a permit to came or who for my employer. If not, my employer cannot tell them to if somebody doorbell. If I don't have a permit, don't open the door.
Okay. So do you know how to cook?
Yeah.
What kind of food you can cook?
If can for the American or Arabic, just simple macaroni fry. If my employer they said, can you cook this one for me? Then tell me the ingredients. Of course, why not? I can cook.
Okay. Can you follow instruction in cookbooks?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just only cake. Of course, yeah.
You
So
can
something
bake.
like that.
Okay. What favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
Playing,
Playing.
and of course, give you loving, same like your child. Everything baby happy give,
Okay.
like us, like our family of my baby.
What do children like best about you?
What? Sorry?
What do children like best about you? What do they like about you?
Uh, I give her happy together, smiling. They say, give me that, like that. If one, I give her especially food.
Okay.
Favorite food he want. And I also say, this food, okay, then say me, give me a smile and kiss.
Okay. If one
Yeah.
if one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what are you going to do?
Of course, I try my best how to find a way to make
To
you
comfort
know,
him.
to help him, or if cannot, minutes to run to can the children cannot, I call my employer or somebody emergency time to can help to us
Okay.
to be
So,
for yeah.
as a nanny, could you say no to a child?
Yep.
When are you going to say no to a child?
Sorry po. Sorry
When
po.
are you going to say no to a child?
No to a child.
Yes.
Like,
For example, they're asking you to give them the knife or the scissors or the blade because they're
if
going to play
somebody,
with
yeah,
it.
that's important. Sorry. If I see somebody thinks like that, I say to her or to him to don't touch.
No.
This is the
Yes.
danger. This is not for you to play. If everything things cannot for the like the AIDS cannot touch or something, I said, don't touch this one anymore, or please, if you say that, if you see, just leave it. I talk nicely, slowly, maybe I understand it. After the following time, we can, I'm not there to see the another that things, maybe what do you call this, think to this is not good to us to
Okay.
touch like that.
Okay, so give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
Of course, for my experience, I think,
Mm-hmm.
and they read my all experience. This is maybe need. This is maybe this lady maybe all knows about taking baby or something house, whole cleaning or housemaid like that. That's why they have me.
Okay. So they should hire you because you have good experience.
Yeah.
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from
Yes.
maidtv.com.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.